Hello, Internet. This is Robert Danger Bird, and we are broadcasting live and uncensored from the Cliffwood Experience Micro Resort AirBNB, which is located in Bel Air, Texas, and is available for all of your party and event needs. So I'm going to share a bit of a tech we use here at Cliffwood. It is a little device that eats bugs. We were having a problem. All the sliding doors, and there are 3 sets of sliding doors, all facing the patio. We're only seeing 2 of them here. But the problem was guests would leave the doors open and let in lots of bugs. Obviously, nobody likes bugs in the house. So what we did was we did some research and found this nifty little device called the Katchy. And it works exceedingly well. So I'm gonna put the phone on a stand here, and I'll show you how it works. So first off, it's got a little UV light here that attracts the bugs, and they get sucked down inside here. And there's a little sticky pad in the bottom that they get stuck to. And then that's very easy to change. You just pop it out, and you can put a new one in. So that's a couple of weeks worth of bugs there. As you can see, it gets big ones and little ones. So very happy with this. There's a couple of different modes. There's a standard mode and a quiet mode. I just leave it on standard all the time. It is powered from a USB port. It just plugs into the side here. There are no batteries. It always needs to be plugged in. But that's it. You'll find it on Amazon. It is a great product. I'll put a link to it in the bottom here. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And please remember the Cliffwood Experience. You can follow us at Cliffwood Experience on Instagram and Facebook.